Hello, my name is METİN. This is 52nd part of explanation of my theory. There is no constant light speed. 1. The light wave velocity depends on its source, free electron motion form. This is the unique source. 2. Unique source of light is electron motion form, which belongs to meta-sensation perception matter. This source, free electron motion form, is intrinsic immanent motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter that we cannot see directly. 3. Successive wave velocity in the direction of free electron motion forms motion 0 degree is inversely proportional to the velocity of free electron motion form that the source of these successive waves. Here, successive wave velocity inversely proportional in this direction. If this electron motion form's velocity increase, directly proportional this velocity, electron motion forms velocity, on this point, the wave velocity will decrease. Inversely proportional, not directly proportional, like this. Here, free electron motion forms velocity. Here, wave energy. And here, free electron motion forms velocity. This is the point. If free electron motion forms velocity increase, inversely proportional in the direction or 0 degree direction, in the direction of electron motion forms motion, the wave velocity at 0 degree at the rate of velocity of free electron motion form decrease. If free electron motion forms velocity approach the speed of light c, d wave velocity in the direction of 0 degree decreases approach to 0. Three, successive wave velocity in the direction of free electron motion forms motion 0 degree is inversely proportional to the velocity of free electron motion form that the source of these successive waves. 4. If the source, free electron motion form velocity approaches c in the direction of source motion 0, the light wave velocity approaches 0. Here again. Remember from my former videos, d wave velocity at any point is equal to c minus electron motion forms velocity cosine alpha. If this alpha is 180 degrees, d exceeds the speed of light. Okay. For example, now if cosine alpha in the direction of 0 degree, it is 1. c minus electron velocity d. If electron motion forms velocity approach the speed of light, c minus electron motion forms velocity in the direction of 0 degree, d wave velocity in the direction of 0 degree approaches 0. Okay. Five. In the direction that is greater than 90 degree, 270 degree, we say 90 degree again. Okay. Right side exceeds the speed of light for d. In each point, 91 degree, 91 degree, 93 degree, 80 degree, this side exceeding speed of light side of, okay, exceeds c, okay, this side, and this side minus speed of light, cosine, and in the direction of 90 degrees, d, remember, equal to c. It doesn't change, okay? At this point different, at this point different, d equal to c minus electron velocity cosine alpha, okay? Each point change. Wave velocity is variable, okay, but frequency is unchanged. Frequency doesn't change. Wavelength variable. Remember, this is the formula, lambda alpha equal to lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. In each point, wavelength difference. In each point, wave velocity d difference, at this point d wave velocity difference, lambda alpha wave velocity different, lambda alpha different, at this point different, and energy point energy at this point different, point energy at this point different, okay. Yes. 5. In the direction that is greater than 90 degree, in opposite direction, light wave velocity exceeds the speed of light. In the direction of 180 degrees, the light wave velocity approaches 2 multiplied by c. In opposite direction, this is motion direction, in opposite direction, the direction approaches 2 c in the direction of 180 degrees, okay. 6. If the source velocity exceeds c, speed of light, this is possible according to my theory and my formulas, the jets will occur. What is jets? Like sound jets. This is electron motion form here. Okay, here larger wavelength, narrower wavelength, but when lambda alpha approaches 0 and wave velocity approaches 0 here, okay, in this direction d equal to 0 and lambda alpha lambda n minus delta lambda 0, like this, jets, okay. Yes, if the source velocity exceeds speed of light. This is possible according to my theory and my formulas. The jets will occur. 5. For each point of these spherical successive waves. For each point. Okay. For each point of these spherical successive waves that are produced and propagated by free electron motion form, there is a different wave velocity d equal to c minus electron motion forms velocity cosine alpha, different wavelength lambda n, lambda alpha equal to lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha, different wavelength, different point energy, like this. This is formulas, different point energy for each point of sphere. Think of as a sphere, okay? Here, two kind of, these are all of that my formulas, that are my formulas, okay? You see, for each point. And for, say, this is alpha in the direction of 0 degree, and this is alpha, okay, like this. In this circle, wave velocity, wave velocity, wave velocity here, and wavelength here, and point energy, three-dimensional, or here, like this, projection like this, and angle enlarged like this here. In this point, wave velocity, wave velocity, wave velocity, three-dimensional, wave energy, and wave length, like this here. This wavelength at this point d, at this point another alpha, okay, you understand, I see, this is three-dimensional, okay, enlarged, this is alpha, like this, and 7. There is no adding velocities rule for waves and their sources. Have a good evening. See you later.